I published my first video over 20th November 2020. The count was not at all increasing. The views were getting slow down. I did not know the exact reason. And till date, I still am trying to understand the algorithm of YouTube, and I still haven't cracked it at all. I usually feel that medicine is far more easier than understanding the algorithm of YouTube. Hence, just let it be the thing of a YouTube content creator. When I was in my plus two or plus one, I never knew that there was something called YouTube. Uh, it's very true. It was we did not have in our home. We did not have any of a smartphone or a touch phone basically. So and there was almost no gadgets in our home except for a small Nokia analog mobile. But even now, I still try to read a lot of books, and all the books in here is the one which you can. This is just a 1/10th part of the whole bookshelf which is present in over my house. When I've got my seat in a government medical college all for free, my parents were benevolent enough to gift me with a mobile phone, and that is exactly this one, and that is Samsung Galaxy J7. A very warm welcome to Americo's World. For the ones who have been newly joining along with me in this journey, let me introduce myself. This is Achyut Murari from the second year of MBBS of Usmania Medical College, Hyderabad. So as the title suggests, by now you must have understood that basically I'm trying to celebrate the 1 year of me being over YouTube, and that is something more than cherishable event in my whole life. YouTube has now become a part and parcel of my life, and it is basically an inseparable event from my day-to-day activities. So in this video, I'll be basically discussing with you how I've started my journey over YouTube, how I film my videos, and in the end there's also a question answer session. Basically, I've put a story over my Instagram, that is @mesmerizing_stanzas, to let my followers ask me some questions so that I make a video out of it. Well, I've got a bunch of questions, and the Q&A session is basically in the end of the video. All I can say is it is going to be a very great story time session. So without further ado, let's get started. Beginning with the scrap, Americo's World, the name of the channel or the interface or the niche are not the same as the ones which I have thought of starting way back. I published my first video over 20th November 2020. The first video I've published was a book review of The Eyes of Darkness by Dean Koontz. I really loved the experience. Initially, my YouTube channel was supposed to be a booktube. So booktube is a space where I usually speak about book reviews, to be read book piles, any book hauls, and exclusively the niche is zoned down to only books. So I used to call myself a booktuber. It has been very recent, almost a couple of months ago, that I have started to diversify my content, especially my niche, even towards medicine. But even now, I still try to read a lot of books, and all the books in here is the one which you can. This is just a 1/10th part of the whole bookshelf which is present in over my house. I do not especially have a whole bookshelf made of it, so I usually have piles of books all around my house. All I can say there might be more than 200 books or so in my house. So I do not boast about it, but books have always been a part of my life, and literature is something of my zone of interest. But medicine also has its own interest into my life, and it has been the one which is the driving force for me standing before this camera today. So hence I wanted to even update you all about some of the things which I've been doing in my medicine, and that was a special move, basically trying to record all my clinical postings. And I really love all the love I've been getting from various people throughout the world, through my Instagram DMs, through the WhatsApps or so. If at all you haven't checked that video, you can check it over here. Or also I have also shared my personal experiences over the hospital rotations as second year MBBS student of India in this video. You can check it out too. I was never a camera shy person, and I really loved talking to people. I loved sharing my experiences, and I always wanted to put forth my opinion before people. Well, previously, before I was in my plus two or plus one, I never knew that there was something called YouTube. It's very true. It was we did not have in our home. We did not have any of a smartphone or a touch phone basically. So and there was almost no gadgets in our home except for a small Nokia analog mobile. So it was very hard for me to know what exactly a YouTube is or what other social media platforms were. When I've got my seat in a government medical college all for free, my parents were benevolent enough to gift me with a mobile phone, and that is exactly this one, and that is Samsung Galaxy J7. I know the J series is quite old and it is outdated, but this is the same thing I use even till date to shoot my videos. It has been like my companion as soon as I have entered into my MBBS journey. And also it is a great reminder of how far I have come over this YouTube or any other social media platform. As soon as there was lockdown, I immediately wanted to explore more ways of venting out my feelings or sharing my opinions with others. And when I was having a Google search, I immediately found that YouTube was a great platform. Initially, I was skeptical about how to make videos because, of course, YouTube demands a great aesthetic videos, or there were a bunch of comments, there were a bunch of advices given by my friends that I need to have very expensive equipment so as to be starting over YouTube, and it is not something a medical student can afford. And also the time which is being invested over YouTube is really tough, and a medical student cannot probably give away a lot of his or her time so as to make videos over YouTube. But despite many turning down comments, I eventually started my own YouTube channel, and I firstly named it as Among the Pages, basically because it was all about books. Hence, Among the Pages was indeed a great source of inspiration for me, so as to be picking up any specific books, so as to picking up any newer books or diversifying my own genres. Initially, I was only a fantasy fiction genre lover, but later on, I even turned down to many other genres, which is indeed because of my own booktube channel, and I made really great friends. It was almost the same time when I have begun my own poetry page, because I have always loved to pen down my feelings as poems, and I title it as Mesmerizing Stanzas over Instagram. That is exactly the page which is still existing till date, and I am very frequent into uploading my poems over there. Hence, if you want to contact me, you can always contact me over Mesmerizing Stanzas. That is my safe haven always. The first time I basically pressed the publish button, the feeling was kind of really different, because that was the first time I've been sharing my opinions with a whole set of people whom I cannot basically see. I'm sharing with a bunch of people who are watching it, my opinions over a mobile screen, and I do not know them. There may be toxic people, there may be interesting people, there might be people who criticize, there may be people who encourage. All sorts of people have access of watching my video, hence I was a little skeptical, but still I eventually made it out. Okay, the other thing which I wanted to share, I have already shared it in the previous video, and that was this book. It is my darling, I can clearly say that. It is all the things where I basically try to write all my ideas in this. If at all you haven't watched my previous video, I have explicitly talked about this thing in my previous video. You can check it out in here, please, guys. So I'll be tagging it over here or here somewhere, or the other thing else. You can please check that video out so as to be understanding how I film my video, the process and everything else. It's open there. I used to edit over a small app called InShot. Okay, many people have asked me about where do I edit my videos, and that is on InShot. It's a small mobile app, and it is really user friendly. And the interface is kind of really easy to manage for beginners who are trying to come over YouTube or so. Then there was a state of plateau, and there was a complete stoppage in whatever people were showing up over my channel. My channel was in a complete stationary mode. The subscriber count was not at all increasing. The views were getting slowed down. I did not know the exact reason, and till date I still am trying to understand the algorithm of YouTube, and I still haven't cracked it at all. I usually feel that medicine is far more easier than understanding the algorithm of YouTube, hence just let it be the thing of a YouTube content creator. I know YouTube demands more of your interest, determination, and your time too. So as far as I have understood over 1 year of YouTube, that consistency is of course the key, but also you need to enjoy the process. If at all you fail to enjoy the process, that day your channel is already dead, and you basically as a content creator are dead. As you enjoy the process of making a video, publish it, share with people, and the efforts which you put is really amazing. Okay, the other thing which I really found was the process of making a video is far more enjoyable than publishing it and garnering more views. I enjoy the process of filming a video. I enjoy the process of editing a video. And let me be very honest, editing a video of almost 10 minutes takes me more than a day. And of course, as a medical student, I cannot spare a complete day just to edit my videos. Hence, I divide the whole work of editing for more than a week. So that was a little bit of the story time. I thoroughly enjoyed letting people know that it was really good.